Punctuation, such as full stops, commas, capital letters, and question marks, help us organize our writing and make the reader understand what we have written. So let's understand why we use capital letters. Capital letters can be used for 6 different reasons. The first rule for using capital letters is the names of places, such as your favorite restaurant, maybe McDonald's. And here we have M capital and D capital. Maybe we can use a darker color. Yeah, that's better. Or the name of a city. Let's say New York. And here we have the first letter N capital and Y capital. Capital letters are also used for names of people. Such as the name of any boy or girl. Let's say his name is Ron and her name is Mary. So the first letter of both these names is always going to be a capital letter. Names of people always begin with a capital letter. The third place where we use a capital letter is the months of the year. All the months of the year always begin with a capital letter, whether it's March or December or any month of the year always begins with a capital letter. M and D here are the first letters which are capital or uppercase. Now let's look at the fourth reason for capital letters. Days of the week also begin with a capital letter, whether it is Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, maybe Sunday. They all begin with a capital letter. So T in Tuesday and S in Sunday, as you can see, are capitals. The next reason for a capital letter is when we use the letter I. I, when used at the beginning or middle of a sentence, always is written as a capital letter, like I went to the mall. I went to the mall. Or could be Mary and I went to the mall, and it would still be a capital letter. Let's underline that one. I. And now you may have noticed that a capital letter is always used at the beginning or the start of every sentence. Start of a sentence. Let's, just like we had I went to the mall, if a sentence was we like swimming. So we begin the sentence with W in the uppercase of capital because it's the start of a sentence. Now we can see that capital letters are used in 6 different situations. The first one is places, and then we have the names of people. The name of your teacher, your parents, any girl or boy always begins with a capital letter. The third one is months of the year. All months of the year always begin with a capital letter, whether they are at the start or middle or end of a sentence. The fourth one is days of the week. At all times we begin the days of the week with a capital letter. The fifth one is I. The letter I is always a capital letter, whether used at the beginning or the middle of a sentence. And the last one, a very important one, every sentence begins with a capital letter.